Hi everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back with another Pinterest-inspired collaboration project that I do with my friend Misha at Scraps&Things1. Hi Misha. I'm going to post a link below this video to her channel so you can head on over, check her out, get more inspiration, and subscribe. For this week's project, we were supposed to do like a back to school teacher kind of survival kit, and I found this back to school prayer and treats thing on Pinterest. So this is what it has inspired me, and I went and printed it out, and I made one of my 6x6 gift boxes, and this is what I came up with. So for the pencil here, I just made I did this with one of my dies, and this you can actually make a gift card holder with, or like a greeting card. I just made mine into a tag, and I said I hope you have a fantastic year. And this is actually going to go to the two women that I work with in my classroom, and I wanted them, we actually started school 2 weeks ago, and I wanted them to have them then, but things have been very hectic for us, so I finally completed them, and they'll be getting theirs on Monday. But I will post a link below for this pencil die. I'm pretty sure I found this on eBay. And this is what the box looks like on the side, and I just used some random single sheet papers I had in my stash. A lot of times I get them from Joann's or Hobby Lobby, and this has cute like ruler and glue and calculator and crayons, apple scissors, and I'm pretty sure there's pencils somewhere around here. And then on the bottom, all the way around, sorry it's kind of heavy because I filled it with some goodies. This is the bottom, but all the way around I used some ruler washi tape and some apple print washi tape, and I also use these as my treat closures, which you'll see. I'm going to open one of them up. Okay, so that's that one, and then this one, again, more random papers that I had in my stash, and this one I used apple and the ruler washi tape all the way around the bottom. And then I have this print here. I ended up running out of that, so I just used some navy blue cardstock on the bottom. But I'm going to go ahead and open one up, and I just used some of this twine that I had in my stash to tie up my box. But anyway, the back to school, this is actually, I think I pinned this in my Pinterest. But the back to school prayer and treats says, "May your days be filled with great wisdom. May they always be cheery and bright. May they be full of hugs and kisses, and nary a boo-boo in sight. But if there are bumps in the road, or if things begin to get out of line, may you find great peace and serenity, and remember you're truly divine." And then for each line of the prayer, it has Smarties for the wisdom, highlighter, Hershey's Kisses, Band-Aids, eraser, pen, candle, and a post-it note. Now for my candle, all I did was I got one of these battery operated tea light candles, and I ran the washi tape all the way around the bottom, and then I just bagged it up and tied it with some twine because I thought putting a regular candle in here might be a little too heavy. So there's the candle, and then the post-it note. And like I said, for my bag closures, I used the washi tape, and then a pen, and then a nice big bag of Hershey Kisses, because I'm pretty sure there's not a teacher around that doesn't love chocolate, and a highlighter pen, and then Band-Aids, a nice big eraser, and a bag of Smarties. And I filled their bags up with the Smarties because a lot of kids, I work in a pre-K autistic classroom, and a lot of our kids absolutely go crazy and love Smarties. So we always try to have a pack in our pocket, you know, just as a little treat for them. So anyway, that's how my project turned out. And like I said, this is my 6x6 gift box. And if I know I've done a tutorial on a 6x6 similar to this with the, you know, you cut your paper mats out on this side. I know I've done one with just one sheet. But I've also done another one, but I came up with a measurement so the lid is it's nice and snug. So if you want me to do a tutorial on this box with the mat sizes, just leave a comment below, let me know, and I'll make sure I try and get one done for you guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.